How you like me now? What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. We got another project in our hands. We got the Porsche disconnected or taken apart again. I have to take this lip off too. So, you know, let me get this off here. Oh boy. Oh. There's two 10mm things that sit under here on that side as well. And basically, in order to get to those 10s, you got to take off the bumper, which requires you to take off this lower trim piece. And you can't take off the lower trim piece without taking off the two sides. And in order to take off the two sides, you got to take off this front piece right here. Also, you know how it goes. You got to take off the little side marker reflector thingy and this right here to access the harness. And there's a screw right up here. So easier than the BMW? I would put it right at the same. You have a freaking tire inflator right here. That's pretty cool. I think this strut is leaking. Come over here, look at the other one. It looks pretty good. So definitely got to swap that out. I actually plan on running, I don't want to give up the setup, but a lot of stuff's going to be changed on here. We're going to make this thing really, really nice. We have to get prepared for two major things, and I'm also not going to tell you that stuff either. So through my life, I'll be honest, I've been swapping motors, which I wish was on YouTube, but I was swapping motors since back like freaking 15 years old, my uncle and stuff. Some things that I would never do in my life again. One is swapping an engine on an Expedition. Two is cutting open these headlights. I'm never doing this crap again. I'll show you guys actually. You know what? Then there's no freaking videos online at all, like zero. Filming is one whole thing. Then editing is like a whole other beast, because when you edit it, sometimes certain things gotta come in after because of how smooth it looks. Yeah. And it's gonna look real choppy, and I like the flow of my videos, you know what I'm saying? So, I know a lot of you guys be on there, you guys, you don't know. These are the, not the lowest, but the second to lowest. So there's like, I guess, base. There's PDLS, which is this, and there's PDLS, which is not this. The PLS Plus is what I wanted to upgrade this to, but blacken it out, I kind of like this look better on this car. So, I don't know if you look up close, the number one reason I took it off, you see the haze? You can't even wipe that off. You see I look like somebody put their fingerprints on it, but it's not coming off. That had to go, and I wanted to paint the inner housings black. I got this bad boy out, so to kick my ass, man. Tons of freaking sealant, and these are not the kinds that you heat up in the oven. These are the kind you have to cut, and then hopefully they reseal, they come back off good. But I nicked a little bit of the gray, I ain't gonna lie. Just cut that a little. Don't get it confused with that rubber piece though. You're gonna need that. Just go up, around. I already know some people in the comments will go crazy. This is what it's all about. You know, like, don't get me wrong. A lot of you guys ask me, how do I like the Porsche, and like, do I think I made a mistake? And I'm not talking about like you guys in the comments, but like my friends, man. I do enjoy the Porsche, even though majority of the time it just sits and waits for its new mod. I actually don't even freaking drive the thing much because I'm just always doing stuff to it. Like, I know it happens fast in these videos, but I have a job and I have so many other things I have to deal with or do that I don't have the time to really put stuff together in the 30 or 20 minutes you guys see it. You know, so I do enjoy that. You know, everything is as is. It's my own. If I mess it up, I pay for it, and it's not a big deal. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I forgot to press record. All right, so I think this right here is, I think it's pretty good. I decided to go with the matte black to kind of give it a little bit of a contrasting feel. I didn't want to go for one of the gloss blacks because I feel like it looked like one of them C6 Corvettes. Like, they look all right for what it is, but... Morning, guys. Well, I mean, I've been up for the past few hours trying to freaking edit, but my eyes are killing me. I think it's time for a new screen upgrade. Good morning. What a marvelous day outside, huh? I don't know why my wind driver is going crazy, bro. It's not even really raining right now. Something's up. Let me just turn that thing off. Weather's pretty crap, but you know, if we out here doing what we love, filming these videos and things like that, then I guess the day can't be that bad. You know, you guys are watching it. So I guess you guys have nothing, I guess, super important or urgent to take care of, and I think that's good. Sometimes less is more. I have 44,000 miles or 45,000 miles on this thing. I am a bigger guy, pretty heavy set in the carbon buckets. You know, your boy's definitely on a limit of the sizing on his carbon buckets, if not already freaking over it. I can feel it. Another thing too is the suspension. If this car didn't look so damn good lowered, I'd probably raise it back up to try to get a little bit more comfortability out of it. Which way is it taking me? I thought I was gonna get on the hutch. I am gonna get on the hutch because I want some salad first, actually. I'm gonna take a detour. It's true what that GPS says. Oof. Should I launch it? Should I launch it? We'll get a good launch. Comfort. I'm just keep everything in comfort. It ain't that big of a deal. Oh man, I'm pretty sure this button didn't leave hard at all. Oh man, look, GPS updated. Bro, check that out. This is overkill. I don't need nothing like this. How you doing? Yeah, I'm looking for a Dell monitor. Dell. Yeah, it's a Q something. Man, these things are insane. Can't even afford it. All I know is it's a Q2. It has a whole bunch of different numbers to it. All right, we found it. The last one. Next to some freaking refrigerators. Bro, this thing is definitely a lot wider than I thought it was. Should I put it in the passenger seat? I got some stuff in the trunk. This thing legit take up the whole freaking back, or most of it. Back on road, back on road. I stopped by, I picked up a plant too. So it'll go together pretty nice. Check me out. What y'all think? It actually goes together with the seats. That look really hard, bro. 30 bucks. 30 bucks, Home Depot. It's supposed to be, I think this is that butyl stuff, butyl glue. It's supposed to be putting this back on, apparently, in it.
Oh, like the seams?
Yeah, but I don't know if this is the stuff you gotta heat up.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good. See, if I do it like this, it gives it that, what's that watch? Not an Audemars Piguet. What's that watch called? Damn, I kind of want to keep it like that. To see the inner workings of it. It's junky, bro. You got trash everywhere, bro. It's junky. Yeah, so much stuff got to come up just for the headlights. All of that. I cleaned this up as best I could, though. Like all this little stuff, I just hit it real quick. Cleaned that up. All the panels are behind you. Like junkie, bro. Junkie. It's too icy. Is normally this icy? Normally when you go to upside down, I used to do that in water. It'd be a little icy. Look, hold on, sprayed it upside down. This is Gatorade.
You can't drink that much.
I don't know. That was years ago. I don't know what it does again. I don't know, man. I'm like in the inner workings. Look better. Let me see. Richard Mill. Oh, you didn't take it off?
Come with this one?
Yeah, it looks like that one. The Richard Mill. See, look, when you throw this on there, it still looks pretty good, but let me see. It look cool, too. I screwed up. So you see how this is supposed to be chrome? All this is supposed to be chrome. But once I started wiping it with just a regular cleaner, the chrome started to wipe off. Oh, shit. See how the sides?
Oh, yeah.
You see how it was like that. So I just designed it myself. I did the same thing to the other one.
You got your own?
Yeah. Custom 101. Yeah, I think it's good. So this light is in. It dried up. We got some good news and some terrible news. That glue ruined the edges. You can see right here. I am so tight. And there's nothing I could do. So I sealed it up on the back end. But I guess I had a bad reaction to the lip. Oh, man. This would have came out so sick, too. I am pissed. Headlights on?
Yes. Bright. Bright. Looks good.
So, this is the final result. You see, this one's pretty good. I used the supplied. I think this is just butyl, so I might heat it up in the oven. I forgot what that butyl stuff is. I tried to be smart and slick and do it the way I thought it'd be smart in the first place, and I used some of this stuff right here, but it had a really terrible reaction to the plastic. So, super close. I'm super bummed out that this didn't work. Success. This motherfucker had his whole side project going on with the new radio and the 1 Series. Yes, sir. We back, my boy. Check me out, too. We're here, cassette nightlight. Do a bunch of stuff, relax. And you can change the color. What is it? It's pretty dope. Ooh. So this is the one I bought, and fortunately, freaking out of stock, bruh. So I gotta find some other ones. These ones are pretty good. I mean, these are what I just ordered. So I hope they're good. Supposedly, and I'm pretty sure this is probably not even their freaking picture, and it's blurry anyway. But, let me see. Yikes. Hopefully that's water. This is gonna suck. My thing out. Ooh. And I hate coming in here. Good morning, guys. It's day 2, and not much has changed. Check out these freaking tires. They are for sale, by the way. I took them off the car. If you guys want them, hit me up, man, in the DMs, _slowspeed on YouTube. Tread's not bad at all. I mean, I really graduated from doing pointless burnouts, so I don't anymore. I just came here for the freaking center caps, and yeah, so hit me up. They are completely filthy right now. And on a much more positive note, we have something else to test out for the car while we wait for the headlights. You know I ain't got no gas in it. Plug it in like this. Voila. And give it a second. There's no buttons actually on here that says CarPlay. Sound system? It's pretty good. I'll be honest, it's probably one of the best sound systems I've heard. blows the M4 out of the park, even my M340. I think the only thing that came close is the E90 and the E92s that I had with the upgraded sound system in them. Go figure. You start right here. Let me see. Boom. Okay, so I paired it with Bluetooth. Hopefully I don't need a password because I don't think it gave any instructions. Oh, wait. Ah, there we go. Doesn't sound as clear. Now to be completely fair and all the way honest, I kind of do notice the same thing in every other car. The wired connection is always going to be better than the wireless connection. However, and I fell in love with the sound system, so I guess I'll be getting a longer wire. And I kid you not, the packages just keep coming and coming. Whoop, whoop. Had to duck and dodge. No. Philips D2S bulbs for the Porsche headlights. So these are, I think, 4,800 Kelvin or something like that. A little bit bluer. I wanted to go super duper blue, but from my experience and running HID bulbs, I upgraded my Ultimas and stuff and all HID cars I had in the past. Bruh, 6,000 looks fire, 6,500, even the 5,500. But I kind of want to see the fucking road. And even when it rains, it's terrible. I know it makes slim to no sense, and we're supposed to do what's cool on YouTube and what looks nice, but I kind of want to see the freaking road. And these Philips ones, they are supposed to be the brightest, best ones, even better than the Osram. I mean, I don't have any really, like, knowledge in any of this stuff. I just know that these are the best. I'm going to put the best in. Twist it, and it should come out, right? Oh, and it does. Definitely looks a little different. I'm gonna be honest. This does not look like this at all. Hoping this thing comes out of this. Literally got to be absolutely me. These are D3S bulbs, which makes sense because the whole base is freaking different. Oh, at least this thing is still freaking here. I've been meaning to do this for so freaking long. So many freaking L's I'm taking with this thing. Like, I cannot take any more. Like, I'm just trying to push through. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna just salvage the day by going to grab something to eat, getting this baby all washed and clean, because this thing is completely filthy. And I gotta head to the gym because, well, this is the biggest I've ever been in my life, man. It's clean enough. Not bad. Thank you, man. You have the key? Yeah, let me get the key. Let me get the key while I pay. I don't want nobody to jump in there and run, you know what I'm saying? Thank you. But on a positive note, I did have this little thing I got to install. Check it out. It's from Keys Motorsports. It's like a hood quick release. I mean, I'd borderline say you could use this as like an anti-theft device for, I guess, items under your hood, but I mean, I think, I'm not too sure if that's actually the case, but this thing is pretty cool. It's metal, and Brian and the guys over there really did a good job designing this thing. It's a 10 mil. We all need a 10 mil, and it looks like some sort of bottle opener, but it actually lifts up the under piece so you can get up underneath the battery, loosen it up, and you know, pop the hood. Now, I will admit, using this thing, it does work, but I have forgotten to put it back here, and when I went to go pop the hood, yeah, I had no thing. So just keep in mind, well, this thing is a multi-use tool. I think its best spot to stay is like right here for you get locked out of your own hood. But unfortunately, that is everything I got for you guys today. Hopefully everything starts to go smooth in the next couple of videos or days or whatever. I didn't want to sit on this video too long. I mean, listen, you guys pretty much see what it'll look like. Next thing you know, next is to see it on the car. So, you know, thank you all of you guys for tuning in. Like this one, right, so speed. Peace.